Hi everyone, my name is Sanjay Chaturvedi. I'm AVP Sales for Silver Touch Technologies. Silver Touch Technologies is a 28 years old company and we are a system integrator into multiple things, I would say, from hardware to software, website to designing and other things. I came here for a 2 days workshop at AMA for CXO training that is leading from the front for the future. The learnings that I have come across is that you need to have a factual listening initially to understand or see from other side. Then you have to have sympathy walk basically to understand what they are feeling, and you have to step into their shoes basically to make understand what they feel and then take a decision on accordingly or have a sympathy or empathy with them. The third more important was having stakeholders meeting basically. So it's other way basically the stakeholders meetings are not held, but here you have to have a meeting with them or at least a one-to-one session wherein you actually come and understand the expectation of your boss or the stakeholders, what exactly they are looking from you. Basically, even two basic objectives that you can meet up would certainly help the organization to grow further. And the last one was basically case studies or the case clinic we call it, where you actually go ahead and listen from the heart, right? Instead of keep your brain aside and you actually listen from your heart to understand and reimage yourself, putting into his shoes and understanding what he feels, the language, the body structure, how the body reacts, what your brain thinks about, what you feel like, and then you can actually reconnect and then come to the solution. The major part of this culture shift that I have seen here in AMA training in 2 days is you need to be patientful. You need to understand the situation. It's not what happens is normally a brain tries to react immediately and responds back. That's how human beings are trained to do. But the actual thing is when you come across a problem, you have to have patience, give certain time, park it away aside, think about it later on. Once you think with a peaceful mind, you come to a better solution. So I recommend this training to the rest of my friends. Whoever is listening to these videos, please do have this training. It will certainly help you out. Best of luck, Emma. Thank you.